Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize the Contact Us section on your GoDaddy website. This is a really useful feature because it allows you to tailor how visitors reach out to you, ensuring your contact information is presented exactly the way you want it. Let's jump right in and get this done. First, you'll need to head over to GoDaddy.com in your web browser. Once you're there, type in your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to your GoDaddy dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all aspects of your website and domain. From here, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage and edit your website's content and design. Once you click on Website, you'll be directed to your website overview page. This page gives you a snapshot of your site's status and various management options. Now locate the Edit Site button on the right side of your screen and click on it. This button is your gateway to making any changes to your website's layout, content, and design elements. Clicking it will open up your website editor, allowing you to work directly on your live site. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to customize the Contact Us section. Scroll down through your website until you locate your Contact Us section. This might be towards the bottom of your homepage or on a dedicated contact page, depending on how your site is structured. Once you've found it, click directly on the Contact Us section. This action will select it and bring up a right side menu filled with all the customization options available for that specific section. From this right side menu, you'll see a variety of settings you can adjust to personalize your Contact Us section. You can change the layout to better suit your site's design aesthetic. You can also customize the background to make it stand out or blend seamlessly with the rest of your page. If you want to add a WhatsApp chat button, this is where you can enable and configure it, making it easier for visitors to reach you directly through WhatsApp. Additionally, you can modify your contact form fields, adjust your operating hours to display when you're available, and tweak any other elements that your Contact Us section includes. These options give you complete control over how your visitors interact with you. And there you have it, you've successfully customized the Contact Us section on your GoDaddy website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.